October
people.
is just settling in right now.
I feel like we just settled into it. You're right. Yeah. And not only that, it's also like we're going to get a little weather whiplash over the next 10 days.
Yes, we are. So these cooler days we have now for those that like fall and are ready for snowport and excited about that. That's what we have today and tomorrow. But then we're back to the 70s. So for those that maybe like the warmer temperatures a little bit more, the jackets can be put away after these next few days. But you do need the jackets, especially for the morning for Wednesday and Thursday. Temperatures, highs today made their way to 55 degrees. We're below where we typically are this time of year. The normals for this time of year in the low 60s, only about 5, 6, 7 degrees below that for high temperatures, though. 58 was the high temperature in Norwood, Bedford 54. Now, the next couple of days, we're keeping windy conditions in the picture. It's at least a bit breezy to gusty, 15 to 20 mile per hour wind gusts going through the rest of this afternoon and into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, this is going to factor into a wind chill paired with those temperatures that will be in the 30s. So this is 20 to 25 mile per hour gusts. And then as we head into Thursday morning, we are going to have more calm wind, but we're going to have cooler temperatures. So we won't have to talk as much about a wind chill by Thursday morning, but it is going to be cool really across the board. So temperatures tomorrow morning, 37 for Natick, 38 as we go towards southern New Hampshire, 42 for Boston, 36 in Norwood. Now 5 to 6 degrees cooler will likely be what it feels like as you're heading out the door for tomorrow morning. And then low temperatures by Thursday morning at 30 for areas in Franklin, potentially first freeze for many spots. Fitchburg 32, southern New Hampshire really across the board in those low, potentially middle 30s, but not as much of a wind chill. But those actual temperatures are really going to be getting us there for the first frost and potentially even the first freeze in spots. We're right where we should be, though, as far as the first frost and first freeze goes. Worcester's typical first frost October 16th and the suburbs first frost October 12th. So we're right there, and we're likely going to have that by the time Thursday rolls around. So that's the coldest morning of the bunch. Then we start a warm up that comes into the picture. By the time Friday rolls around, highs are going to make their way to 60 degrees. Tomorrow, it's going to look a lot like today. We'll have some clouds around tomorrow, temperatures in those middle 50s before we make it back to 60 by Friday. And then temperatures well above normal once we get into the weekend and beyond. Low 70s, they're returning. So if you like that warmer air that's coming our way and along the way, along the 10-day forecast, we don't have much as far as rain goes. It looks like really through the end of October, we're not going to be watching any widespread soaking rain. So while that's not the best thing as far as our drought monitor is concerned and as far as abnormally dry conditions are concerned, this is making for some gorgeous outdoor days, especially for the weekend. Saturday and Sunday, upper 60s and low 70s. Notice those low temperatures, middle and upper 40s for Sunday, but then low temperatures even are back in the 50s next week. High temperatures in the low 70s. So a nice little taste of warmer temperatures coming our way for the start of next week and definitely for this weekend. Great for any outdoor fall activities that you may be partaking in.
Whiplash.
There it is.
We'll see you again in just a bit.